Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. This is Ramesh Mantri, the Chief Investment Officer of WhiteOak Capital Mutual Fund. Today I'm very excited to announce the first equity NFO from WhiteOak Capital Mutual Fund. We are launching the WhiteOak Capital FLEXICAP Fund. What are the benefits of a WhiteOak Capital's FLEXICAP Fund? In our opinion, a FLEXICAP product offers three key benefits to investors. The first benefit is provides flexibility to the fund manager to invest in best-in-class opportunities across the market cap segments, whether it is large caps, mid caps, and small caps. The second benefit is building a balanced portfolio, and a balanced portfolio can help to outperform and reduce volatility across different market cycles. The third key benefit is the diversification benefits of the portfolio, where FLEXICAP fund reduces the exposure to non-systematic risk in the portfolio. Because of these benefits, we believe a FLEXICAP fund should be core part of any investor's equity portfolio. Let me tell you about the WhiteOak Capital Group. WhiteOak Capital Group was formed in June 2017 by Prashant Khemka, who has held leadership roles in Goldman Sachs Asset Management, in the US market, in emerging markets, and in India. The firm today manages over 42,000 crores in global equity assets, and the firm today has offices in India, Singapore, Mauritius, Switzerland, and UK. As you can see, WhiteOak Capital Group today is one of the largest foreign investors in the Indian equity market. Let me talk about the four key pillars of WhiteOak's investment culture. The first pillar of WhiteOak's investment culture is the philosophy. We have a bottoms-up stock selection philosophy. The philosophy is to buy great businesses at attractive valuations. At WhiteOak, we invest in businesses and don't bet on macro. We don't spend time thinking about macro factors like interest rates, currencies, and commodities, because we believe these macro factors don't add any alpha to the portfolio. The second pillar of WhiteOak's investment culture is the people. The investment team at WhiteOak has a strong culture of performance orientation. When you talk of the team, there are three key fundamental attributes. The first attribute, WhiteOak has a very seasoned, experienced, well-resourced investment team that is comparable to the largest AMCs in the country. Number two aspect is a number of team members have global experience of investing. Why is global experience important? Investing is often like a game of chess. The more games you play, the more pattern recognition capabilities you build. So as an investor, when you evaluate companies globally at various different points of evolution, you build better pattern recognition capabilities that are required in investing. Number three, WhiteOak has a team within a team structure. Every investment opportunity in WhiteOak is evaluated by a 3 to 4 member sector team. Sector teams allow for deeper research and more balanced decision making. The third pillar of WhiteOak's investment culture is our time-tested investment process. We have a disciplined fundamental research process where the investment team spends on the ground talking to companies, their competition, whether public or private, customers, vendors, trade partners, regulators, industry experts, and even ex-employees, ex-CEOs and CFOs to get a very deep 360-degree perspective about the business, their execution DNA of the management, and the corporate governance practices of the company. We also use our proprietary developed cash flow analytical frameworks to analyze and value companies. The fourth pillar of WhiteOak's investment culture is balanced portfolio construction. Balanced portfolio construction means that we don't take top-down bets in our portfolio. We do not indulge in taking cash calls or indulge in sector rotation. The aim of balanced portfolio construction is to ensure performance is a function of stock selection. Now, balance in portfolio can be looked at from various dimensions. One element of balance in a portfolio is exposure to cyclical and defensive factors in the market. There are years where cyclical sectors like real estate, financials, industrials, materials outperform the market, and there are years where defensives like consumer, pharma, and technology outperform the market. It is difficult a priori to say which part of the market would do well in any year. At WhiteOak, we ensure a good balance between cyclical factors and defensive factors to ensure that the portfolio is well balanced on this attribute. We are very excited about this launch of the first equity NFO, the WhiteOak Capital FLEXICAP Fund. Dear investors and distributors, we look forward to your strong participation and support to make this NFO a huge success. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.